Good morning. Welcome to Dodd & Associates Tax Updates. This morning I'm just going to touch briefly on the subject of ACC levies and how you can best deal with them. This year we've seen a lot of clients who have suddenly received ACC invoices where previously they've had nothing to pay. This appears to be because in the past they have been on part-time, and this year ACC has changed them to full-time in order to get them to contact ACC. We're thinking this is the most likely scenario. Otherwise, it's a con to try and get them to pay more money. But for most clients, it's a shock to receive a bill based on the minimum full-time wage, compared to never having had to pay anything. If this happens to you, you need to think very carefully. Are you full-time self-employed? How much do you need if you are unable to work due to an accident? Or should you just be on the part-time rate? This is particularly important if you make losses in your business. A loss, obviously, you do not get a rebate from ACC, but you do not have to pay if you're only part-time. However, if you have an accident, you also will not receive anything. Another area to be very careful of is if you change your business. What was appropriate for one type of business may be totally different for another, and you may end up paying too much or not enough. Obviously, if it's not enough, ACC will go you if you try to make a claim. One other area of particular concern is where farmers change from actively farming, perhaps retire, and then rent out their properties. If you're on National Super, ACC are not going to pay you out because you're already getting a form of income. Therefore, you will definitely want to change your type from active farming to rental, and also you may need to consider whether that rental is a business or passive income. If it's passive and you consider yourself part-time, you probably shouldn't have to pay anything. As usual, we do encourage all clients to check with us on a regular basis for any type of business, just to make sure that all the ACC details appear to be correct and that the rates are appropriate. If you feel you need some help with this, please feel free to contact one of our accountants. Thank you. Goodbye for now.